sessions with Professor Barrios, I've learned to appreciate others leads to a better and fruitful relationship with your peers. Appreciation not only brings out the best in the doer, knowing that his efforts are appreciated by others, but also in myself, because it develops character by conjuring the courage to thank the people who have contributed to my well being. Learning does not really stop in school, but it's a never ending process that permanently changes a person's behavior as a result of this experience. I have a confession to make. I'm a fucking extrovert. But being an extrovert has benefits. Not only do I befriend people by being outgoing and sociable, but I also create a network of allies and friends who will help me become a better person. Thank you, Professor Vargas, for that.
Hi, I'm Cecil. No matter what, simple things or great efforts, um, you should appreciate. Uh, you should appreciate the different ways because of the sacrifices put into it. You can be very happy seeing the smiling faces in front of you.
Hello, my name is Jay, and I'm so glad here that you invited me for this video chat. First of all, I think I just express my appreciation about this class. Well, as a foreign student here, me and Devi, we feel that we receive the same discipline among other Filipino friend or classmates. We feel that the appreciation from our heart indeed is the professor gave us the same discipline. We also feel that there's no across language barriers. We did learn something indeed from this book and also from our working place. We do appreciate about how other value me and Devi our point of views because when we sing something they always listening carefully and answer our question without asking something for return. That's our operation to the class. Thank you so much, everyone, and we had a good time here, and we also want to look forward in coming future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amy. Good words are in itself a motivation for people in the workplace. When one is being appreciated, it goes to show that an individual is not only valued for his contributions to the company, but above all, for the person that he is. You know that appreciation left a mark of goodwill in a person when his face lights up with pride and as he gleefully takes on the work that the day may throw at him.
Humility can be practiced by simply appreciating others. Since I know the value of being appreciated, I want to share that feeling to others. Positive reinforcements makes them perform well, and with proper direction, feedback, and challenge, they perform better.
I'm Carl. People in any organization love it when their efforts, whether work related or not, are recognized. And they exhibit certain actions, explicitly, impliedly, or even unconsciously, to make sure that it is reciprocated, to put one in the bank, as it were. And they make sure they make ends meet to make sure that they get the same treatment. kindness, it seems, can never be lost. For once you give it away, it comes back twofold.
Hello, my name is Marite. Before I say anything about appreciation, I'd like to commend Professor Barrios and of course Lency and my classmates. I really enjoy my Orbeck class. I hope you enjoy your Orbeck class too. Appreciation, I think appreciation can be a source of motivation for others because gratefulness is a way to recognize the contribution of someone's work. But one thing I learned about appreciation is that it has to be done discreetly sometimes. Not all people want to be appreciated publicly. And there was one that I appreciated publicly, and then instead of feeling happy about it, he felt uh, otherwise. So it depends also on the personality. Another thing I learned as well is appreciation can be a source of power. Would you believe that? So that's what I learned about appreciation.
Hi, Dati Bunyi here. I just wanted to share my key learnings about. I learned that appreciation motivates people, and that the more unexpected the appreciation, the more impact it has. And also, I learned that when we appreciate others and when we choose which traits we specifically appreciate in them, we're actually showing implicitly what we ourselves value the most. That's appreciation.
Hi, I'm Ray. Appreciation creates a feeling of calmness and peace. It feels good to appreciate others. Those whose actions were appreciated would then appreciate you for saying so. Then you find yourself beaming with pride for having done so. This give and take relates what I refer to as good vibes, and somehow you know that everything is right in this world. A bit of an exaggeration, of course, but the state of being created by the situation is truly priceless.